Tmall Double 11 has passed. As you may know, Tmall Double 11 is the biggest, craziest shopping festival in China. And during this period of time, our company, ZHXTOYS, star product, this twist car, or swing car, or wiggle car, as you may call it differently. This product has had great sales performance. So from now on, I'll be taking you to see the production process of different parts of this twist car. In today's video, I'm going to show the process of installing the PUwheels that comes with each twist car. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button to see more great content about Ride-On Toys. What you can see now is two workers placing two bearings above and below a PU wheel and are stabilized in a metal stick. After that, bearings can be installed and stabilized in each PU wheel by the pressure of an air pump in the machine. And that we have our PU wheels. Right now, the workers are assembling the front fork of a twist car. These are the brake wheels of a twist car. Normally, these two small wheels do not touch the ground and roll like the PU wheels in the back. The main function of brake wheels is to provide support when the car is about to roll over and applying brakes at the same time. We see the worker installing the two brake wheels and then screwing on the nut. Then the two PU wheels which completed previously are installed. Place the nuts and finally put on the cover for the brake wheel. And that we have the front fork of a twist car. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you are interested in importing this twist car or any other product that you may see in our channel, you can go to our website to submit a business inquiry there. We can take care of custom design, production, and shipping. Let us help you with your importing project. In my next video, I'll be continue talking about the production process of the other parts of this twist car. So stay tuned. Bye. 我接到了酒精，老的说卡就像你我说抖音，